This is not the expiry date of this bottle, but have you ever thought where this would end up after its usage?
Actually, plastic is not the threat, it's the mindset of people. It's the mindset that it's not our duty or somebody else would save the planet. All these thoughts are the major threat for the
I believe that the initiative should come from each person, and that's when I decided to reduce the plastic waste and create a piece of art out of it. In the past 3 years, more than thousands of plastic bottles got transformed.
These plastic bottles were just a piece of art resource for me. I just wanted to include heavy textures on my artworks, and I tried experimenting with different types of plastics to include various textures, patterns and designs. But soon I realized the harsh effects of plastics. Made me take the pledge to upcycle more plastics and continue this art.
While I could include this beautiful heavy texture on my artworks, it's an opportunity for me to reach out to more people and spread the awareness on plastic pollution.
Collect these plastic bottles from various sources in Qatar, especially my friends in the community. That itself is a huge realization on the fact how much plastic waste each
family creates. Collecting and storing these bottles itself is a huge task. Now I have converted the small space into a storage area, and I have my own ways to cut this and store it in various ways. I collect various types of plastics at the same time, and all the sculptures that you see is the end result of constant experiments. My work demands that because I don't work with conventional art materials and I don't have any reference. But always nature is a major source of inspiration. Spending some time with these bottles creates the design gradually. Most of the time it's spontaneous. The funniest part is I even make thread out of these bottles, and I use these plastic bottle threads to assemble the structures onto the canvas or any base. Yes, it definitely demands time, passion, effort and patience. And above all, I'm not too worried about the end result. Rather, I enjoy the process of creating it. I use all the parts of the plastic bottles in some or the other way. I even paint over these bottles. I use a mixture of glass paints and acrylic paints for these surface, and I mostly prefer to stick on to similar color palette. Being said that, I work on 2-3 artworks simultaneously, each in different stages. Also, I prefer to work on various themes or series, each series having 10 to 15 artworks.
For the Planet is a series of sculptural artworks revolving around the theme of ocean life. I'm hugely inspired by this beautiful creation. Through my artworks, I'm aiming to spread the awareness on plastic pollution and the harm caused by these plastic waste on our marine life. If at least one person start taking action against this plastic pollution inspired by my works, I consider myself successful.
This box of plastic scraps is all I have after working with thousands of plastic bottles. I can't help but I see art in that too, and I'm saving that for future projects.
My latest series, A Ray of Hope, is based on the phenomenon coral fluorescence. Because of global warming and climate change and rise of ocean water temperature, the algae, which supplies energy for the coral, is hugely affected. And
over the past 30 years, 50% of our coral reef has died.
So the coral fluorescence is literally the call for action. Just before the coral reef dies, it starts glowing in 3 different fluorescent colors, that is yellow, blue and purple. Later these coral reefs starts and finally bleaches.
Coral reefs are the largest living structures and a beautiful ecosystem in this nature. So it's high time to take action against global warming and climate change and take small steps to preserve this largest living structures. My sculptural artworks are hugely inspired by these beautiful coral reef structures. Each of my work has 10 to 15 plastic bottles assembled to it, and the bits of plastics are treated in various temperatures but without direct flame to create a particular design or pattern. This artwork named Ocean Bloom has more than 20 plastic bottles, and that's how the series of coral reef began, and now it has 20 plus artworks. I'm glad that I'm always supplied with enough plastic bottles, but also I would stress the point that I'm not creating any demand for plastic bottles, but aiming to create a demand for recycling.
As I mentioned before, plastic is not a threat, it's a mindset of people. Hope people will start taking conscious action against this plastic pollution and work a bit more harder for a plastic-free planet.
So let's start taking smaller steps to create an expiry date for this plastic.